In this lesson, we're going to look at Chapter 2, Lesson 3, Percents and Decimals. So it's important when you're moving percents as a decimal, right here it tells you we're going to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. When there's no decimal, put it at the end of the whole number. So on 8%, let's zoom in a little closer here. The decimal goes right here. It says 2 places to the left, we go 1, 2. And the decimal ends up right there. Since there's a blank there, we're going to add a 0. So our answer is 0.08. Again, there's not a decimal here. We're going to put it at the end. We go 2 to the left. There's a blank there, so 0.06. 93%, we put a decimal. We go 1, 2, so we have 0.93. This one, we put a decimal. We go 1, 2. So we get 1.12. 24%, we put the decimal at the end. We go 1, 2, so 0.24. And our final one, the decimal point is already in there, so we don't have to place one. We just move 2 to the left. 1, 2. So 0.045. Now, on the other side, we're going to do the opposite. We're going to take a decimal, and we're going to put it as a percent. So this time, we're going to move the decimal 2 places to the right. So the decimal's in there. We go 1, 2. 38, put a percent sign. Again, we go 1, 2. There's a blank here, so we're going to put a 0. We get 20%. Right here, here's our decimal. We go 1, 2, 47%. Take our decimal, 2 places to the right. We get 73%. And finally, we take our decimal 2 spots to the right, and we get 50%. Now, if you ever struggle on which way you need to move your decimal, come back to this paper. It tells you which way to move it.